Hi there guys, it's Del, and this is Dishes with Del. Here on this channel, I want to be able to teach you guys all the cooking basics. From chopping, to sauteing, to learning how to cook a steak. I love food, I love being around it, I love going places and eating food. It's my world. Even if you think you can't cook, I can guarantee I'll make it simple and you'll learn something new. Good food doesn't always have to be expensive. Sometimes it can just be what's in the fridge. After 20 years in the business, I just want to be able to share my tips and tricks. I left school, started cooking, and never looked back. Food is my world. I want to be able to teach you really simple dishes that you can make at home to wow your friends. Got a dinner party coming up? Maybe you can make something flash. Hopefully there's something for everyone. Now, let's get cooking.